Good morning, everyone. My name is Li Zehao, metric number 8207409. Today, our group will present our community engagement activity for the course LMCR1562, Drawn for the Aerial Photography. Our project is called Drone Awareness Talk, exploring safe, ethical, and future drone technology. We chose this topic because drone technology is no longer something far away from our daily life. In the past, many people only saw drones as flying cameras or entertainment tools. However, today drones are used in many important fields, such as emergency rescue, agriculture, construction, environment monitoring, and digital media. For this activity, our group planned a small awareness talk and invited other students to join. The purpose was not only to explain what drones are, but also to help participants understand how drones can be used responsibly in real community contexts. Through this program, we hope that participants could see drones as a useful technology for the future, instead of only seeing them as expensive gadgets. We also wanted to encourage students to think about the ethical side of the technology, especially when drones are used in public spaces. Please, okay. Let's move to next speaker.
下一页。For our community engagement activity, we decided to use the format of a short lecture because it is simple, clear, and suitable for students who may not have much background knowledge about drones. Before preparing the talk, we discussed what kind of content would be useful for the audience. We did not want the activity to be too technical because that might make people lose interest. Instead, we focused on examples that are close to real life. Next slide. During the session, we introduced basic drone concepts in a simple way. For example, we explained that a drone is not only a device that flies, but a system that combines hardware, software, sensors, cameras, GPS, and human control. We also showed how drones can capture images from angles that are difficult for humans to reach. This helps people understand why drones are important in aerial photography and many modern industries. Besides explaining the technology, we also encouraged the audience to ask questions. This made the activity more interactive because the participants were not only listening, but also think about how drones may affect their own lives. That's all for my part.
One important part of our talk was about the future potential of drone technology. We explained that drones can bring benefits to many communities when they are used properly. For example, in agriculture, drones can help farmers check crop conditions more efficiently. In rescue operations, drones can help search for people in dangerous areas without putting recruiters at immediate risk. In constructions, drones can be used to monitor project progress from the air. This example helped the audience understand that drones are practical tools, not just a hobby device. Please move to next slide. We also introduced the career opportunities related to drones. This part was important because many young people may not know that the drones industry can create future jobs. A person who is interested in drones doesn't only have to become a drone pilot. They can also work in area photography, mapping, data analysis, drone repair, software development, safety management, or technology training. And through this part, we wanted to show that learning about drones can open many future pathways. It is connected to the digital economy, creative industries, engineering, environmental protection, and public service. Okay, that's all.
Okay, through drones have many advantages. Our group also wanted to remind the audience that technology must be used with responsibility. A drone may look small, but it can still create safety and privacy problems if the user does not control it properly. In our talk, we discussed several responsible practices. For example, drone users should check the flying area before taking off. They should avoid the crowded place, private property, airports, and restricted zones. They also pay attention to weather conditions, battery level, and the surrounding environment. Okay, next page. Another important issue is privacy. Since many drones have cameras, users must be careful not to record people without permission. Even if the video looks interesting, sharing it online without considering other people's privacy can become an essential problem. We also explained that responsible drone use means thinking before flying. The question is not only can I fly here, but also should I fly here. This helps users make better decisions. Through this discussion, we hope that participants could understand that being a good drone user is not only about technical skill, but also respect, safety, and responsibility. Okay, move to next page.
For the implementation of our program, we conducted the talk with invited participants and implemented the talk step by step. We include discussion, examples, and short questions and answer sessions to make the activity more engaging. During the session, we noticed that some participants were interested in how drones are used in real industries. Some also ask about safety rules and whether drones can be used freely in public areas. This shows that the talk successfully encouraged them to think more deeply about drone technology. From the feedback, many participants said that they learned drones are not only used for photograph but also for recruit, monitoring, mapping, and future carry. Some also mentioned that they become more aware of privacy and safety issues. Next slide. As a group, we learned that communicate engagement is not all about giving information. It's also about communicating technology in a way that people can easily understand. We also realized that emerging technology should always be introduced together with ethical awareness. Next slide. Next slide. In conclusion, this project helps us apply our knowledge of drone technology in a real communicated context. It also reminds us that drones can create many opportunities, but only when they are used safely, ethically, and responsibly. Thanks for your listening to our presentation.